On borrowed money, we had to pay an interest of 10 to 25 paise on every rupee. My children and I were forced to work for them like slaves, as we could not repay the money lender. In a day, we could earn only 10 to 15 rupees.
I have had 2 daughters whom I have educated with great difficulty. My husband too is of no use.
My name is Jaya and I'm the president of the Asur Village Panchayat. The first SHG in my village was formed in 1993. We just started a women's cooperative milk society for which 4 SHGs joined hands.
Jaya's group approached a bank in Vikravandi for a loan 4 months ago. It has only been 2 months since it was granted 17.8 lakhs. The group has used this money to buy 70 cows and run a milk cooperative society, which helps each member to make a profit of 1,000 rupees to 1,200 rupees a month. It has also managed to pay back rupees 60,000 of the loan amount.
Earlier, we could contribute only 10 to 20 rupees to the thrift every week. But now, our overall savings are about 1 lakh. The members can take loans ranging from 5 to 10,000 rupees from this money. They are respected at home also. Now the men urge the women to take loans from the group, which the women sometimes even refuse to do. The situation has changed to this extent.
Sakti SHG was formed in 1999 with 20 members. The need to improve their financial condition made Stella and the group approach a bank for a loan to start a micro-enterprise. Stella soon realized that the loan would be sanctioned only if her group underwent Entrepreneur Development Training or EDP training. During the training, what caught Stella's fancy was the setting up of a factory to manufacture soaps.
People hesitate to buy our soaps since there are better ones in the market. Our soaps face a stiff competition since others have better advertisements. So we really do not make any profit. We can barely pay the rentals, maintenance, electricity and material costs. We have been able to repay only a small amount of the loan taken. Now we have decided to make bigger soaps, for which we would need more training. We will also need more funds for that.
Our SHG thought if a woman becomes a leader at the panchayat level, then basic things can be achieved for the village. I contested the elections and won with the help of the SHG members and relatives. In Asur village, there are 8 SHGs running this PDS ration shop jointly. We have had arrock problems in the village and we complained about it to the district collector. He came here immediately and asked us to share our problems with him. All of us told him about the improper functioning of the ration shop, among other things. We told him about the erratic timings of the shop. Then he asked us if we could run it ourselves, if given a chance. We unanimously agreed. There is good profit in this. We make around 8,000 rupees a month. Till now, we have made a profit of over a lakh. Now there are 20 PDS ration shops being run by women through SHGs in Viluppuram district, and they are all running successfully.
Once, when a man was getting married for the second time, after deserting his wife, the SHG women registered a complaint with the police and stopped it in time. It has been possible only because they have been trained in the SHGs.
My husband is frustrated because I have 2 daughters. After joining the SHG, I have gained confidence and sent my daughters to school. Now, I can provide them with everything that they need.
I would call myself a frog in the well before joining the SHG. Being part of a group of 20 women is a good opportunity for me. Today we are able to face the camera only because of the SHG.